Crisp, clean, and chic. It's all about nailing that effortless style that radiates sophistication. Here's a 12-step guide to mastering the art of chic dressing. First, choose quality over quantity. Resist that sale tag and opt for beautifully cut, classic pieces that stand the test of time. Second, create a capsule wardrobe. Curate essential pieces that pair well together. Think timeless silhouettes and neutral hues. Speaking of neutrals, they're your best friends. Opt for a palette of black, white, beige, navy, and gray. Add color with accessories. Embrace fitted styles, tailored blazers, pencil skirts, slim trousers. They're your chic staples. Invest in classic accessories. A quality leather handbag, elegant sunglasses, a classic watch, they elevate your style. Mind your shoes. Comfortable yet stylish footwear completes your look. Keep makeup minimal and hair effortless. Enhance your features subtly and choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape. Say no to overexposing. Balance is key. Pair a shorter skirt with a modest top. Layer thoughtfully. Lightweight cardigans, blazers, scarves, they add depth to your look. Know your personal style. Embrace what makes you feel confident. Keep it wrinkle-free. Well-maintained clothes make a difference. And finally, confidence is key. Stand tall, smile, and own your chic ensemble. Chic style isn't about following every trend. It's about curating a wardrobe that reflects your personality and makes you feel fabulous. So simplify and embrace chic simplicity. Now that we have an overview of mastering chic dressing, let's dive deeper into one of the key concepts we touched upon, the capsule wardrobe. This is a collection of a few essential items of clothing that never go out of style and can be augmented with seasonal pieces. Think a classic white shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, a sleek black dress, a tailored blazer, and comfortable yet stylish shoes. These are your foundation pieces. Make sure they're high quality, fit perfectly, and suit your personal style. A well-curated capsule wardrobe not only simplifies your morning routine, but also helps you to always look chic and put together. It's not about having fewer clothes, but about having the right clothes. Start by cleaning out your closet. Be ruthless. If it doesn't fit, if you haven't worn it in a year, if it's not in good condition, or if it doesn't make you feel fabulous, let it go. Once you've decluttered, identify the pieces you wear the most and feel the best in. These are your staples. From there, build your capsule wardrobe. Remember, a capsule wardrobe is a work in progress. It's about trial and error. Keep experimenting until you find what works for you. Stay tuned for our next scene where we'll be discussing how to style these staple pieces to create an array of chic looks.
Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the Fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,